Hi guys, you're watching Eat More Lose More. Today I'll be sharing with you all top 7 best office lunch recipes for all the office goers. Now I have a complete office diet plan for weight loss on my YouTube channel and the link to the video will be in the description box below. Do not forget to check it out. Now this video contains lots and lots of options for lunch to prepare and to take in the office, which is healthy, nutritious and as well as good for weight loss. So without any delay, let's get started. So the first option is Basil or Moong dal Cheela. Now it is very much nutritious and also good for weight loss as it does not contain high amount of calories in it and is very easy to take along with you and it is very easy to prepare in the morning itself. You can have up to 3 moong cheelas or basin cheelas along with you. Have it along with green chutney for taste. Now the second option is my personal favorite, brown rice pulao with raita. Now this contains lots and lots of amount of veggies in it, so you feel fuller for longer time of the day, and brown rice itself contains lots and lots of fiber. Have it along with raita. Prepare raita while adding in the curd, cucumber, chopped onions, chopped tomatoes and lots of black pepper powder for taste. Now the third option is poha along with curd. Prepare poha in all the rich forms. For example, add lots and lots of veggies to it, French beans, onions, add roasted peanuts to it for taste and take it along with you in the office as your lunch, and you will love having this poha. The fourth option is for all the people who are chapati or roti lovers. So you can take multigrain chapati, that is you can prepare the chapati with any of the 3 attas, that is oats atta, bran atta or jaw atta, and take it along with you along with some seasonal veg, and do not forget to take raita along with it. Now the trick here is to prepare the multigrain chapati or roti by kneading the dough with the warm water. Now this is a trick for all those people who want their multigrain chapati to be very much soft and not too dry. So you prepare the dough of it with warm water, and I can guarantee you that your roti will never ever be dry or hard. It will be always soft and fluffy. So have multigrain chapati along with seasonal veg plus raita. Now the fifth option is very easy to prepare and it is so quick. Masala oats. Prepare masala oats in the morning, usual with lots and lots of veggies in it, and take it along with you as your lunch for the office, and you will love having this as it is so nutritious and so much healthy in each and every form for your weight loss as well. Another option for lunch recipe is you can take along with you idli plus sambar. Now you can have up to 3 idlis plus a katori good of sambar, and prepare sambar in the healthy form with lots and lots of veggies in it and along with 1 spoon of desi ghee for nourishment, and prepare idlis fresh in the morning itself, and you'll love having this lunch fresh and healthy in the office. Now the last option for office lunch is you can prepare multigrain dalia with curd. Now I have a complete video on how to prepare multigrain dalia. I'll link it in the description box below. Do not forget to check it out for its recipe, and it is so nutritious as it contains lots and lots of grains in it and are nutritious in each and every manner. Have it along with raita or curd, plus you can also take along with you some salad and you're good to go. Now you have 7 best top lunch recipes ideas for office, and they all are so nutritious, healthy and fuller as well, and will not at all make you feel sleepy or snoozy after having your lunch ever. So try these lunch options for your office and do let me know in the comment section below how you felt about it. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. I post and upload daily on my Instagram stories about the various diet plans to follow each and every day. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel Eat More Lose More and hit that bell icon so you'll be notified whenever I post or upload a video on YouTube. And I'll see you in my next one. Till then, stay healthy and stay fit always.